Morning team, it's Wednesday, May 3rd. Today is the real FOMC. Why I say the real? Because there are many times that which is the minutes, which is like the not legit one. But if you go on the US government link, you can see when it's the real ones. So we got also some NFP, but this is not the big one. I think is this one on Friday. But anyway, London seems quite calm, and then all the fun is in New York, and New York close. That said, I'm not going to trade that late. If I see something in London Open, I will be happy to get it, and that's it. Let's have a look to charts. So right now, weekly looks pretty bullish to me. We basically mitigated the big week equilibrium. So if I only look at weekly, I see the raid, but you know how many times I say this in past videos. Big raid without a BMS, it's just price discovery. And right now, they are failing to BMS some significant level. So daily swing low is still like raided, it's not BMS'd. So daily structure is still bullish, you know, until the BMS some significant low. I don't see the reason. Well, to be honest, the most significant low to BMS for me to become really bearish is this one, because this low made a new high. This low, this swing low, didn't make a new high, just raided. So for me to become really bearish, I would love to see this one go. If this one go, then I think we can go really down. But if we, for example, if we BMS this one or this swing low, they are not like super bearish, because both of these swing low didn't make a new high. They failed to make a new high. So right now they are like weak lows. So this one is gone with this raid. They took liquidity. This one can go anytime soon. Anyway, there are reasons to go lower. This flat open is pretty scammy. Who knows? Let's have a look to hourly charts. So this is not a BMS, huh? Let's change for the raid, just to be clear. So we got a daily raid right now, and an H4 BMS, which is kind of bullish, you know. Okay, first of all, let's have a look to H12. H12 doesn't tell me much. This is a bullish of the block now, fully mitigated, fully mitigated. We went all the way down, and yeah, and we are pushing. So yeah, still flat low, flat open. But what I see here, I see on H4, I see this bearish candle, and then I see a bullish engulfing. This is like really fat green candle, you know, like many pips, 60 pips. Yeah, but what most significant is that then they BMS here. So this high that really made a new low, because they BMS on H4, you know, and on this swing low too, they completely broke it and pushed up. So hourly, technically, it's kind of bullish now, even though if you look at the structure, it's still like lower low and lower highs, you know. So we are in premium. I wouldn't become so bullish, but yeah, like technically we BMS on H4, so it's a valid break structure. So what do we do here? I mean, it's too early to say. They pushed a lot in Asia. I don't like when they do this. Now we are in premium, in a valid bearish H1. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel comfortable too long right now, unless we see some pullback, maybe in this fair value gap, you know. And I don't really feel comfortable to short neither. Well, short should be favored right now. At least on low time frames, looks like it can be like a market maker sell model, you know. Accumulation, smart buy, distribution. Then who knows, we do like 1 year, 1 year, and then we then up to take in this liquidity. Asia low plus New York close liquidity. All of this can easily happen. Well, Frankfurt Open just happened. Actually, this look like a nice trade idea. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Still a little bit early. I would love to see some swing high formed after Frankfurt Open, which is here. If we rated some swing high, I will be happy to try to look for shorts right now, maybe into this volume into this fair value gap, and liquidity of Asia. As I said, it's still early. I don't know. Flow is up, and 15 is currently BMS down. We are in resistance. Yeah, I can see some shorts. At least into this H1 untested. Then from here we reevaluate. Okay guys, that's enough for me today. So I'm gonna post more charts later in the group. Okay, speak to you later or tomorrow. Bye. Be aware of FOMC. I will call the day a London close. Don't trade FOMC unless you're really expert. Okay, bye.